Ozempic, the weight loss injection everyone is talking about. From Hollywood celebrities to TikTok influencers, millions claim it changed their lives. But behind the hype, there's a darker side you rarely hear about. In this video, we'll explore what Ozempic really is, how it works, the risks, the hidden truths, and why it may not be the miracle solution you think. Stay tuned, because what you learn today could completely change your view. Ozempic, also known as semaglutide, was originally approved as a treatment for type 2 diabetes. It works by mimicking a natural hormone called GLP-1. This hormone helps your pancreas release insulin, lowers blood sugar, and slows digestion. Soon after, patients noticed dramatic weight loss. That discovery turned Ozempic into one of the hottest drugs of the decade, not just for diabetics, but for anyone trying to shed pounds. Here's how Ozempic changes the body. It slows down how quickly your stomach empties, so you feel full longer. It directly acts on the brain to reduce cravings and appetite. It stabilizes blood sugar, preventing sudden hunger spikes. For many people, this feels like the first time they're truly in control of their eating habits. Imagine no longer being obsessed with food all day. That's why the weight loss results seem almost magical. There are thousands of stories online. A woman lost 40 pounds in 6 months. A celebrity dropped 20 pounds before a big movie role. TikTok transformations showing before and after photos. But here's the hidden truth. Most of these success stories only show the short term. The real question is what happens after a year? Or when you stop? Doctors often focus on the benefits, but let's take a moment to talk about the risks. Common side effects include nausea, vomiting, constipation, and diarrhea. Now, moving on to the more serious risks, there's pancreatitis, gallbladder disease, kidney issues, and in animal studies, even thyroid tumors have been observed. And, let's not forget the emotional side effects. Some patients report experiencing anxiety, low energy, and even depression. And here's a shocking fact. When you stop taking Ozempic, studies show that most people regain up to 2/3 of the weight they lost within just 1 year. This means it's not a cure. It's really a lifelong commitment. Ozempic is expensive. In the United States, it can cost over $1,000 per month if you don't have insurance. Because it's so popular for weight loss, many diabetic patients who truly need it to survive are struggling with shortages. This has sparked a massive ethical debate. Should life-saving drugs be used for cosmetic weight loss? And who gets priority when supplies run low? Let's be real. Ozempic is not magic. Yes, it can help you lose weight quickly. But if you rely on it without changing your diet, exercise, and sleep, the results won't last. Think of it as a tool, not a miracle. Even doctors warn weight loss on Ozempic is temporary unless combined with long-term lifestyle changes. Otherwise, you may end up gaining back more than you lost. If you're considering Ozempic, ask yourself first, have I tried sustainable habits? Could I start with diet changes, intermittent fasting, or increasing daily activity? Even natural approaches like high-protein diets, managing stress, and proper sleep can trigger massive weight changes without injections or side effects. So, is Ozempic the miracle weight loss shot? The truth is, it works, but it comes with big risks, high costs, and no guarantee of lasting results. Before jumping on the trend, talk to a trusted doctor, weigh the risks, and remember, true health doesn't come from shortcuts. It comes from small, consistent changes every day. If you found this video eye-opening, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest health insights, and share this with someone considering Ozempic, because they deserve to know the whole truth.